Hi and welcome to DBush Studios, and in today's tutorial we're going to look at inversions. Let's get it. Is basically a way to spread out your chords in the keyboard, and we have the root, which is do mi so. Then the roots, this is the first inversion and this is the second inversion. Inversion is simply a way of spreading out the notes on the keyboard in order to create a wide variety of textures as well as characters to what you're playing. For example, do mi so or C E G. This C E G can also be played as C E G. What I'll simply do is to remove the bottom note and take it above. So it's going to be okay. So E G C, it contains the notes that are on the root chord, which is C E G. Then E G C. I can take these notes from the bottom over to the top, and it's going to be G C E. So okay, so there's one way to practice inversions, and that is by using our fingers to do this, and this. So this is what we're going to do. This inversion, the roots is not the inversion. The roots is the originating chord. So what we're going to do is to take the bottom note, which is a C, while holding down this notes, and we'll come over to the top. Okay, so in this case I recommend you use your index finger on this. So 1 2 3 1 2 3, and this. So it means the root notes can be played in two other ways, by way of sending the notes. See this? So we can do it's all referring to the same notes. So if I go to the key of F, is the key of F. I'm basically doing is taking the bottom notes and over to this is F. Remember I told you in my last video that key F is located before the three black keys. So this is the first inversion. Then the second inversion. The second inversion is, and this is back to the roots. Let's play the inversion on the key of G. This G, I'm going to remove this G from the bottom to the top. Then same thing, I'm going to move this B from the bottom to the top. And B, I told you in my beginner course that B is located after the three black keys. And if I locate this D up above the piano, I'm gonna get my roots. So I'm back to G. So playing inversion is gonna sound like this. So let's try this on the key of C sharp. This C sharp root, and I told you in my last video that this is C sharp major. Okay, remember the root is the do, so do, this C sharp. I'm going to locate this C sharp at the top. C sharp is the first black key. Then I'm going to locate this F above the piano. Okay, and this G sharp or A flat, I'm going to locate it above the piano. So it's going to be like, okay, I hope you found this video helpful. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to play the whole chords in one position. I'm going to teach you how to apply these inversions, and with this you can play the diatonic scale in one position. Don't forget to check that out, and I'll see you in another video. Peace.